Good day everyone, and I am going to be showing you how you can use Basecamp in a really effective way. And also, this is a kind of review on Basecamp. I like Basecamp, it is really clean and quick, and let's just get right into the video, shall we? Over here on the home menu, you can see a couple of things on your navigation bar on the top of the page. So there you have home, then lineup. Lineup is a brand new feature in Basecamp that lets you plot projects on a visual timeline to give you a snapshot of what's in play, who's working on what, when projects start and end. Next, pings. Pings mean that you can start a private chat with someone. Next, we have hey. This is news for you. When you have a new project and someone messages you privately, you can see that notification under hey. Then you have activity, what was happening in the projects, and if you're the owner of the account, then you can see someone's assignments, etc. etc. And then you have my stuff. And this is like, let's say that someone is going to give you assignments to do something. You will see it under my stuff. Then my assignment. And once you finish the assignment, you just tick the box and it is gone forever. And then fine. You can just search something there and it'll find it for you. So let's get back to the home page. Now, first thing that you will see up top is your HQ. It is like your account slash profile, then your schedule, and then your assignments. Now, once you click on HQ or your account, you can find here your message board, to-dos, docs, and files, campfire, schedule, automatic check-ins. You can make an announcement over here on dashboard, and also members of your team can write their ideas over on that. So kind of utilize it like your mood board and like a time wall. So moving on, I really like this certain feature of doc and file. So you can upload here on doc and file. So let's say that I'm going to upload a document here or a file, and no one else is going to see it except me. And that is really cool. So that was just a quick introduction of your HQ. You can also add someone if you want to communicate with him, and you can invite your team here. Click on the add people and you just put their name, email, and a little note to them, as well as click send, and just like that, they're added. Then to-do list, which is pretty self-explanatory. It is there to keep everyone on track, and you can add things to your to-do list, so on, so forth. And you can assign those things on your to-do list to a certain member of your team, and you can set it when it's done, it will notify you. You can also add a due date, and if you click on to do, it'll add the to do on your profile and on your team member's profile. If you're going to add more people on that certain to do, then they will also see that. Then you have the schedule over here where it'll have some plot points when it is due. Also, I forgot to say in docs and files, you can add your files there and then share it with your team. And then you have campfire. This is where you can chat with other people. And then lastly, automatic check-ins, where it is really useful and great for leaders and owners of a Basecamp account. Basically, you set up an automatic message or reminder for your members to check in on their work so that you don't have to constantly do the work of checking up on them. You set how often it will ask and what time of day, and just put in their email right there and click setup. And just like that, it will automatically send on what day you set your bot to ask them. And also you can see team activity under all of those. Let's get back to home, and over up on top, you can add another project right from there. So just click make a project and name it and give it an optional description. Once you have a project, you can click on it and you will be taken to a dashboard for your project. And again, you can invite some people like your team. And now the option for add client is now available. For example, you're going to make a website for a client, you can add him here so you can observe and monitor how is the development going. You just need to give their name and email, of course. And everything over there will all be just the same, like the message board. You can set your bulletin board for that specific project, like what type of vibe you're going for, what kind of design for that website you're going for. You can put it there. The to-do lists, of course, you can set the to-do list for specific people and all of that. All of the principles that I have discussed earlier will just be the exact same for the dashboard of a project. Campfire again, you can chat with your team, yada yada yada. Schedule to keep everything on track, and of course, the very useful automatic check-ins. And to give you some background information, 37 Signals is an American web software company based in Chicago, Illinois. The firm was co-founded in 1999 by Jason Fried, Carlos Segura, and Ernest Kim as a web design company. Since the mid 2004, the company's focus has shifted from web design to web application development. And Basecamp is a real-time communication tool that helps teams stay on the same page. It's less for traditional project management tasks, though, like for example, resource planning and long-term scheduling. Hence, the features that I have shown earlier. Also, I can show you how you can delete your project. So, just quickly go to your home, select your project, click on the three dots, and just click on archive slash remove. And then click on that and just click the delete button. Also, as you can see from there, you can rename your project. So if you had a typo or want to do a total overhaul of your project, you can definitely rename it with no hesitations. And also, you can remove your account by going to admin land, and there you can see the option of cancel this account. So that is how you cancel an account, and that is how you use Basecamp for beginners. So I just gave you a total and simple overview over everything on this platform. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye guys.